Storms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 Pro for Straight Talk. So the iPhone 15 Pro is not here at Straight Talk. It is not available in blue titanium or natural titanium color options. The 128GB iPhone 15 Pro is $999. Straight Talk do offer all the storage options for the iPhone 15 Pro, so I will have these links down below, so check the description for that. Yeah, y'all guys have blue titanium, which is being shown here, or natural titanium, which is currently out of stock right now. So, yeah, very cool there. There is the front and back of the iPhone 15 Pro, very nice looking phone. You know, if you guys want like a compact iPhone per se, the iPhone 15 Pro is worth checking out here. So, anyways, on the front of the phone, y'all guys have your cutout there for your dynamic island, power button on the right side of the phone, volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your action button. On the back of the iPhone 15 Pro is your triple camera system, camouflage Apple logo. There's the front of the phone, your cutout there for your dynamic island. There is back and right side, the back of the phone, like I just mentioned, triple camera system, camouflage Apple logo, right side of the phone, power button, and your antennas. The iPhone 15 Pro is $41.63 a month for 24 months. That is for the 128GB iPhone 15 Pro. So keep that in mind, alright? And like I said, it's $999 for the 128GB iPhone 15 Pro. iPhone 15 Pro now with titanium. iPhone 15 Pro forged in titanium and featuring the groundbreaking A17 Pro chip, a customizable action button, and a more versatile Pro camera system. Alright. Specs. It has 5G, of course, HomeNet compatibilities there. 5G LTE, Wi-Fi 6E display, Super Retina XDR display, 6.1 inches, OLED. It has the ProMotion technology, so basically what that is basically you can have your iPhone 15 Pro up to 120Hz refresh rate. So that is on here. Dimensions: the iPhone 15 Pro is 5.77 inches in height, 2.78 inches in width, and 0.32 inches depth. Battery video playback up to 23 hours, audio playback up to 75 hours. The battery specs: it has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, MagSafe and Qi wireless charging, fast charging capable up to 50% in 30 minutes with 20-watt adapter or higher. Assault separately, of course, you will need to provide your own charging brick. Y'all guys will need a Type-C charging brick, so keep that in mind. Talk time, I just went over that just a few seconds ago. Bluetooth 5.3. Cameras: Pro camera system, 48 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and then a 12 megapixel telephoto camera lens on the back. Processor: A17 Pro chip, 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores, 6-core GPU, 16-core neutral engine, and of course it has GPS. The memory options, you have all the storage options for the iPhone 15 Pro, so check the description box for all that. What comes in the box is your iPhone 15 Pro, your USB-C charging cable, documentation, and your Apple sticker, which is really cool. Like I said, you guys will need a Type-C charging brick, so keep that in mind. Features: forged in titanium. iPhone 15 Pro has a strong and light aerospace gray titanium design with a textured matte glass back. It also features a ceramic shield front that's tougher than any smartphone glass. Apple says that shit every year. And it splash, water, and dust resistance. Advanced display: the 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion ramp up refresh rates to 120Hz when you need exceptional graphics performance. Dynamic island bubbles up alerts and live activities. Plus, with always on display, your lock screen stays glanceable, so you don't have to tap it to stay in the know. Game-changing A17 Pro. A pro-class GPU makes mobile games feel so immersive with rich environments and realistic characters. A17 Pro is also incredibly efficient and helps to deliver amazing all-day battery life. Powerful Pro camera system. Get incredible framing and flexibility with 7 Pro lenses. Capture super high-resolution photos with more color and detail using the 48-megapixel main camera, and take sharp close-ups from far away with the 3x telephoto camera on the iPhone 15 Pro. Customizable action button. Action button is a fast track to your favorite feature. Just set the one you want, like silent mode, camera, voice memo, shortcut, and more, and then press and hold to launch the action. That is on the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. The action button is that is new. Pro connectivity. The new USB-C connector lets you charge your Mac or iPad with the same cable you use to charge the iPhone 15 Pro. With USB 3, you get a huge leap in data transfer speeds, and you can download files up to 2 times faster using Wi-Fi 6E. Vital safety features. If your car breaks down when you're off the grid, you can get help with roadside assistance via satellite, and if you need emergency services and you don't have cell service or Wi-Fi, you can use emergency SOS via satellite. With crash detection, iPhone can detect a severe car crash and call for help if you can't. Designed to make a difference, iPhone comes with privacy protections that help keep you in control of your data. It's made from more recycled materials to minimize environmental impact. It's also it has built-in features that make iPhone more accessible to all. Comes with Apple Care warranty. Every iPhone comes with a 1-year limited warranty and up to 90 days of complimentary technical support. Get Apple Care Plus or Apple Care Plus with loss and theft to extend your coverage, so that is very cool. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 15 Pro is now here at Straight Talk for $9.99 for the 128GB version. Straight Talk do offer all the storage options for the iPhone 15 Pro, so check the description box below for all that. So if you guys want like the flagship iPhone, but you guys want like a compact iPhone at the same time as well, the iPhone 15 Pro is worth checking out here. It has the ProMotion technology, so basically you can have your iPhone up to 120Hz, which is very cool. It's made from titanium, which is very cool. I wonder if it's scratch resistant. I'm not sure, but overall it looks very nice. The titanium design and whatnot is fucking cool as shit. So yeah, very nice there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.